Hello, you're welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the 3D referencing in Excel. So this 3D referencing is a very useful tool when you want to perform analysis on various sheets that you have in your workbook. For example, in this very workbook, I am having these numbers as the numbers of cars in various cities. So though they are not real, just assuming these numbers to be the number of cars in various cities: Lagos, Nairobi, Cairo, and Accra. So I place them in the same position, that is the B1 cell. So you can see for Nairobi, the value I have is in B1, Cairo is in B1, and Accra is in B1. So this will enable me to use the 3D referencing style to perform analysis on these very values across each of them. So if I come to this, my summary, where I want to perform my analysis, the first analysis I want to perform is to sum B1 across Lagos, Nairobi, and Cairo. Okay, so what I will do is enter my equal sign and then sum, then come to this Lagos. So once I click on this Lagos sheet, the thing I will need to do is to click on this 120, which is the B1 cell now. Once I click on this B1 cell, the next thing I will do is to hold on to my shift. Okay, so you hold on to your shift, then you click on the next sheet that you want to refer to. In my own case, it's Nairobi. So I will click on this Nairobi, and then I also click on this Cairo. Okay, then I'll now close. Then you can see the formula that we have here. Sum, and it has Lagos to Cairo, close bracket. You can actually type this. Okay, you can type this, but I'm using that method so as to avoid having errors. So you now click on enter. So this is the sum that we're having when we sum the value for Lagos, Cairo, and Nairobi. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is to take the average for B1 across Lagos, Nairobi, and Cairo. So the thing we'll do now is to enter equal sign and then average. Then we move to Lagos. So when you come to this Lagos now, under B1, you click on B1, then again you hold on to your shift. Then you click on Nairobi and click on Cairo and close it. Then you enter. So this is the average that we have across Lagos, Nairobi, and Cairo. The last thing that we're going to look at is when we want to sum for B1 across Nairobi to Accra. So if we are summing from Nairobi to Accra, we just enter sum equal to, and then come to Nairobi. So this time around, we are starting from Nairobi. So you just click on Nairobi and you click on this 250, which is our B1, and you hold on to the shift again. Then click on Cairo and click on Accra. Then you close and enter. And this will give you the sum across Nairobi and Accra. So this can be a useful tool in your analysis. You just want to make it very fast and refer to a certain cell in various sheets in your Excel workbook. I hope you were able to find this video helpful actually. And if you were, please consider liking the video, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. It will really help us. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.